Hi everyone. How are you doing? Today channel Dan Sreyoun is going to present you about an English conversation, cafe.
Hello sir, can I help you?
Sure, I need some coffee. Do you have any delicious coffee?
Yes, of course. We have a lot of coffee such as cappuccino, latte, americano, macchiato, espresso and flat white. Which one would you like?
I would like cappuccino. How do you sell them?
We have 3 types such as, the large is $5, the medium is $3 and the small is $2.
I need the medium.
That's okay. Would you like something to eat? We have toast, nut, donut and cake.
Oh, I need some toast and nut.
Anything else?
That's all. How much are they?
They're $10 altogether. How do you want to pay? By cash or credit card?
By cash and here is $20.
Here are your coffee, toast, nut and $10 is your change.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. See you later, bye. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.